Everyone is talking about these viral weight loss patches that promise 10-in-1 benefits, nano-microneedle technology, and results comparable to prescription drugs, all by simply sticking a patch on your skin. But the real question is whether this sounds like a breakthrough or just smart marketing. So after spending 2 weeks researching the Gfouk Moringa Berberine X NAD patch, here's what actually came out of the investigation. At first glance, the product is positioned as a cutting-edge solution combining popular ingredients like Moringa, Berberine, and NAD with claims that the patch delivers them directly into the bloodstream, bypassing digestion. But when you examine how skin absorption works, these claims start to look shaky, because human skin is designed to block substances, not absorb complex molecules without pharmaceutical-grade transdermal systems. Another major red flag is the brand name switching pattern, where the same patch appears under different names like Gfouk, Glorenda, herein, and Luxurize, a common tactic used to escape negative reviews and reset reputation. Digging deeper reveals a typical dropshipping setup, where generic patches sourced at very low cost are sold at a heavy markup using aggressive advertising and urgency-based sales pages. There is also no clear dosage information provided, which is critical for any product claiming metabolic or weight loss effects. And without verified delivery technology, the idea that these ingredients work the same way as oral supplements or medications is not supported by medical science. Expert opinions generally agree that while patches can work for specific drugs like nicotine or hormones, weight loss patches lack strong clinical evidence. Customer feedback further complicates the picture, with complaints about patches being smaller than advertised, unexpected double charges, slow customer support, and no noticeable results over time. Overall, the Gfouk Moringa Berberine X NAD patch sits in a gray area where the marketing is far stronger than the science, making it something viewers should approach carefully, verify independently, and fully understand before considering a purchase.